What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. It is that time yet again. We have another mail call. Now we have one right here from the one and only Nas over at Nostalgic. If you haven't checked him out, I'll have his link down below. Definitely go watch his videos. Very entertaining guy. Love his pet, his humor, and his custom work, guys. He sent me this beautiful 67 custom that he powder coated, and I just absolutely love the color of this. Check that out, guys. So if you want to see more of his stuff, definitely go watch him. Nas, thanks so much for sending this package. And then we have one right here from Bryant, also known as the Demon Diecast Hunter. I don't know what's in the box for either one of these, but we're gonna go ahead and open them up and see what we got. So we're gonna start off with Nas's package right here, and it says for me to cut along the dotted line. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and follow. You ready? Go ahead and see what we got. All right, we got a little sticky. It says, Jason, have a safe move. Enjoy the next chapter of your story. Look at this. These are errors I personally found. Hope you enjoy. Oh, nice, dude. You know I love errors. Also inside a white boneshaker, favorite custom of mine. Sweet. Oh man, I remember that one with the white skull wheels. This all white powder coated wheel swapped boneshaker is 12 of 12 white boneshaker, last of the line. Looking forward to your future videos from new place. Peace, Nas. Cool little storybook right here, man, but definitely appreciate you. As he says, guys, the white boneshaker that he did is awesome. Let's go ahead and see what my man threw in this package. Number one, what do we got right here? Ooh, check it out. You got the 98 Subaru, and look at that huge paint chip. Look at that. Is it a paint chip or is that actually painted? Because it doesn't look raw. It actually looks like it has a metallic flake to it. Check that out. Now that is interesting. That is super cool. Now you guys know I love errors. I love all types of tampo shifts or missing tampos, but I've never seen one where it's painted like that. Look at that. That doesn't look like raw metal either. That is interesting. Nice. All right, next up, it looks like a Ford GT40. Oh, look at that. Missing the side tampos. Love it. Now that is super clean. If it came like that, oh, that is super clean. But check it out, guys. Missing the side tampos. Now that's actually pretty common. I have a BMW. I don't know where it's at, but I do have a BMW that's missing the side tampos. I have the Cyclone, which is over here, missing the side tampos. Oh, the Porsche. Don't know what I did with the Porsche, but the Porsche 935 I found has no tampos. I got the Big Air Bel Air with no side tampos, so check it out, guys. Another sweet tampo error. That looks clean, just like that. Man, my dude. All right, next up is the Audi RS5 Coupe. Check that out. You have the black MC5s in the front and the chrome on back. Nice. Love errors like that, man. That is super cool. Now this is what I consider errors. If you could take it out of the blister and it's still considered an error, then that's a true error. But if it's facing the wrong way or it's upside down, that's really not an error. That's just a packaging error. Now true ones are like this, where it's missing some paint or mispainted, missing tampos, different wheels. Let's see, what do we have right here? We have the 2016 Ford GT Race. And look at that. Now that is a huge error. Oh my God, that is so off shifted. Man, that poor casting. Look at that. They misriveted that, missed the hole completely, and just shifted the entire base. Look at that. Even the rear diffusers don't even line up. That is one crazy error right there. All right, and last up right here, is his bone shaker. So he only made 12 of these, and this, oh my god, look at that. Oh, this looks so nice in person. Check out how fresh and clean that looks. Wow, man, that is nice. And it feels like glass. This is beautiful, man. This is the only casting that looks so good and fitting with these wheels on it. That is, oh my god, I love that base. Check it out. You got the black outline with the yellow insert. That is a nice contrast right there. Absolutely love that little touch right there. But this is clean, man. I can see how this was his favorite custom. This is absolutely beautiful, clean, very simple, but man, that looks good. I'm sure if one of the Mattel reps seen this, they'd be like, why have we not done an all white with the white wheels and black skull bone shaker? Look at that. But Nas, I definitely appreciate you sending these errors. These are super cool. Real big into finding tampo errors, paint errors. I've never seen one like this. Definitely awesome ones. The complete off shift of the riveted base and everything, that is super cool. And of course, a wheel error like that. Now, I only have a couple wheel error cars. This black GT500 actually has the off-road wheel, just one of the off-road wheels on it. A lot of people said those are the Matchbox wheels, but definitely thought that was a super cool error. I have a 70 Mach 1 wheel error. It has the back wheels in the front wheels in the back. And I think those are the only type of wheel errors I have, but that is awesome, dude. So thank you so much for sending these type of errors, man. I know these are very cool to find in the wild. There are a lot of collectors that collect specifically just errors, so that is super cool. Thank you so much for allowing me to add this to the collection. And this beautiful bone shaker right here, man, that is wicked. And we're gonna check out to see what Bryant sent in this box. Alright guys, let's see what we got. What's up, Mustang Hunter? Just wanted to thanks for the videos you always post. Always look forward to checking them out. I came across these Mustangs and of course I was like, there's one who will appreciate them. Definitely would, buddy, definitely. Even if it wasn't a Mustang, I definitely appreciate all types of packages and cars and all that stuff. So it says, enjoy brother, maybe one day we will hunt together. Your boy, Demon Diecast Hunter. Most definitely, if I ever get a chance to meet you, definitely going hunting with you. Anyone, if I ever meet anyone in person, we're going peg hunting and making some videos together. So let's see what my man threw in here. Got a couple bundles. Ooh, okay. It's got the Matchbox. Nice. Now I do have these guys, but I only have one full set of the Night Racing series from Matchbox. But here we go. We got the 68 Mustang lifted in the most coolest apocalyptic style paint. And right here you have the 68 GTCS for the California Special in gold. So there is a nighttime set and a daytime. I mentioned it before. Where they at? Right here. So this is the daytime one. It's got the same scenic background, but it's got the daytime sky with the mountains in the back, and then right here you have the nighttime sky. So two full sets, guys. Definitely keep your eyes out for them. They're kind of hard to find now. You don't see them that often, and when you do, definitely grab them up because they're probably the coolest two series from Matchbox out of last year, I believe it was. So there we go, got two more, guys. Awesome. And let's see. Nice, he sent more of the same one. Dude, nice. Check it out, we got the 65 coupe in red enamel. So this, I think he sent the full set, guys. Check that out. And I was literally just saying I only have one full set. That is awesome. Check it out. Here we go. Have the silver GT500, the 2007 GT500, with the red interior, the red stripes. Now this is a card error. It's a mass-produced card error. because there is no such thing as a GT500G. There is a GT500E for extreme, but anytime they have ever come out with one, it's always been just a GT500. I have the release right before that, same color setup, same everything, which is right here. So it's just a re-release. You can see right here, it's just GT500 convertible. And I don't know why they put a G on there, because there's no such thing, but it is a mass-produced error, just like the Matchbox 5-pack right here. This one is also a mass-produced error, so it says the Ford F50 Lightning instead of F150, and every single 5-pack is like that. So it's a mass-produced error. There's a whole bunch of stuff like that, guys. Even the 2013 Mustang right here, this is a 2013 Shelby, but it says 2015, even though the 2015s are the new body style of the S550s. These were also mass produced with the wrong year for the wrong body style. So definitely keep your eyes out for stuff like that. I never noticed it when I originally bought that until I was looking at it like, wait a minute, that's not a 2015. So this is another mass produced error. They never corrected it, they just kind of left it like that. So, and then you have the S550 Coupe in orange. Love this one. So I'm stoked to have a full second set, because I do want to open these up. Next up, oh, we got some more Matchbox. Nice, guys. I know he was like, oh, they're not Hot Wheels, but I collect everything and anything cool and Mustangs, guys. If it's a cool car and it's a Mustang or anything else that are just cool, I'm gonna collect it. All right, guys. Oh, nice. He sent the new Borla deco of the 2019 Mustang. Check that out. Still have not found this in the wild. I got one from a package 2 packages ago. Absolutely love the deco. It looks super clean. I just wish they threw the tampos like they always have on the S550s. Check that out. They were known for detailing the most detailed Mustangs. And I don't know why they decided not to do any for this one, but it's still a super clean car. Check that out. Nice. Go ahead and move Nas's box real quick. Let's go ahead and make some room. Alright, next up, hey, he sent the daytime set. Check it out. You got the 18 convertible in maroon metallic tan interior. Awesome, man. So check it. So yeah, like I said, guys, daytime and nighttime set right here, and my man sent both. Nice, dude. These are super hard to come across now. Got the green S550 as well. This was my favorite one out of the fresh color release, because when I first came out I was like, man, it looks just like the original bullet color, which is that dark Highland green. And when I seen it I was like, oh man, I have to grab it. And then I realized it was a full set. So check that out. Nice, man. Then you got the Fox body, the 93 notchback, which is the Texas DPS, which is my home state right there. Nice. Definitely stoked to have some duplicates of this set right here. Check this out. My man sent the Maisto 93 Cobra. Alright guys, here we go. The 93 Cobra. Look at that. Beautiful Eibach deco, the trailer, everything. Now I do have this, have it sitting right up top. Actually want to open it up since I do have these loose ones that the customizer sent. Definitely wanted to open one up and display it. So check it out, guys. We have a dupe. Nice. Very nice, man. Alright guys, check it out. Demon Hunter, definitely appreciate what you sent. I know a lot of people worry about sending me duplicates and all that stuff, but it is perfectly fine with me. When I say I am super stoked to get an extra set, I absolutely mean it, because I do want to open a lot of my stuff, guys, but I just don't have duplicates of a lot of my favorite series. Now, like I mentioned earlier, these were kind of hard to find. I only found one full set of each. And then every time I found another one, it was always the S550s left. These ones were always taken, so it was never full sets, so I never got a second one. So So I am genuinely excited to have more of this set, as well as another 93 notchback. This one, being my home state, was my favorite, and I only had one of them. And I always wanted to open one up and wheel swap it and make it a really clean custom. Thank you so much for sending me that. And then this one as well. I am going to open mine that I have because the box is in really bad shape. You see right here, like the card's all bent up and everything. So I've always wanted to open it because it's just not in good shape. So this one's in really nice shape. So I'll keep this one in the collection and open up mine. And then Nas, man, thank you so much for sending these errors. These are just those things that you just come across if you're lucky, because not that many errors are out there, but they are out there, guys. Just really pay attention to stuff, especially tampo errors. Those ones are easy to miss. And then you cannot forget this super clean boneshaker, which is powder coated in white from Nas. Absolutely beautiful, guys. I do want to make room eventually to have it with all my boneshakers, but since I'm packing it up anyways, we're just gonna have to wait till we get to our new place to have that out there. So huge thanks to Bryant and Nas for sending these packages. Definitely appreciate you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below which one of these Matchbox releases was your favorite, either the full set or individual. I absolutely love the 93 notchback, and I kind of wish Hot Wheels released a 93 notchback. And then of course these errors, guys, these are super sweet. And of course that is all I got. So again, I appreciate both of you for sending these packages. Absolutely love them. Until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.